I just uploaded a 6 minute video yesterday. Like, this is the shortest long form video I've ever done on my channel. And what YouTube paid me for it, I'm still in shock. Like, honestly, I was never expecting this much. Because before now, I used to think that short form videos, they are not going to earn you much. And yes, for YouTube to be able to place in mid-roll ads, your video have to be up to 8 minutes long so that YouTube can place in mid-roll ads, and that is going to help increasing your revenue. So in my head before now, this is one of the reasons why I don't post short videos. But day before yesterday, I said to myself, let me try and upload a short video, that is a 6 minute video, or even if it is 5 minutes, so that I can be able to know how much YouTube really pays, and so that I will know if I'm going to be doing more of it sometimes. And guys, I'm really surprised with what I saw. So without saying too much, without much being said, I'm going to be taking you through right now with the aid of my screen record, so that I can be able to show you guys the performance of this video and how much I was paid. Believe me when I say you are gonna be shocked. You are gonna be shocked. So let's delve straight into the screen record. So this is the video here. Now let's click on the video. As you can see from the screen, I posted it July 13, which was 2 days ago, depending on when I dropped this video on my channel. So this is the performance of the video. You can see that the video ranking by views, it's 2/10. It has actually performed well. So now let's head over to the analytics of the video without wasting much of your time. So you can see that the video has gotten 3.8k views. Now let's head over to how viewers find this video, YouTube recommendations. I'm going to be telling you something towards the end of this video, so do not skip because it's going to really help you. Okay, yeah. So these are how viewers find the video. Channel page 150. Now this is the audience retention. Like, I really capture you guys' heart. Like, the intro performed so well. Now let's see the top moment. It's still from the intro. That is what I say. It's always good to work on your hook. Okay. Now let's head over to watch time hours. The video has gotten 140 watch hours, which is also beautiful. And this is the subscriber that the video has gotten me, 38 subscriber. Now let's go over to the most important thing, that is to the important details of this video. Oh my god, this video has gotten impression of 46.8k. Like, this is massive. Imagine YouTube has shown this video, or 46.8k people have come across this video. I don't know how many times, but the people that actually watched it and engaged with it is just only 3.8k, which is somehow. Now this is how viewers find the video again. Browse features, suggested, and the rest. Now this is external sites or apps, WhatsApp, Gmail, and Google. Learn how to optimize your video so that they can be coming up on Google. Yeah. Now this is YouTube search term. I think this thing keep changing. PlayStation Market Tutor Zone present. The monetization on YouTube and petite dressing bow. So now let's head over straight to the engagement of the video without wasting much of the time. Now I think we've dealt with 141 watch hours. Then this is average view duration. It wasn't all that bad for a 6 minute video, but it was still bad. Yeah, let's be honest. Now this is the audience retention, and let's head over to the audience. Yes, pay attention to this audience because it matters. It matters. Okay. Now these are the returning viewers. Nothing to show yet. It's still loading. These are the unique viewer. Nothing much here. Device type: mobile, computer, TV, and tablet. This is just how people are watching your video, and it's actually good. Let your mobile be more because of the ad placement, and I think there is still another thing like that. Yeah, we'll talk about that in another video. Okay, so let's head over to the age watching this video. I think almost all the age grade from 18 down to 40, 54 years, they actually watch this video, which is also beautiful. It's good when you have older people watching your video because, yeah, it's actually very good. Now let's head over to the gender. Male 40% and female 59%, which is beautiful. Now The main deal of the day, which is the top geographics, this is going to determine if the video is going to fetch you more money or not. Now let's go straight to the top geographics. You can see that Nigeria is 29.2%. Wow, that is Nigerians almost watched the video, and United States is just 6.5. Just 6.5. I have a long form video on my channel that is about 14 maybe 15 minutes long. I had United States watching that video like 8%, and I wasn't even able to make the RPM this video made for me. So that's by the way. Now this is the subtitle and watch time from subscribers. Jesus Christ, not subscribe. 64.8 for the first time that my audience actually watched my video. Well, imagine 35.2. I throw salutes for you guys. Thank you so much. I'm shocked. So for those of you out there that watch my videos without subscribing, Bikonu, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Now let's go straight to the business, to the main deal of the day, which is the revenue aspect. And for the revenue, this video has fetched me $6.82. Imagine, for a 6 minutes video, YouTube paid me for 2.1k views. You can see it here, 2.1k views. YouTube paid me $6.82. When I saw it, I was just screaming, is this real? Is this real? So now this is the RPM per 1,000 views, $3.12. I never expected. I was expecting to see $1.18, or highest $2, highest $2, honestly. Yeah, now this is how much advertisers are paying. They're paying $6.06, which is beautiful. Yeah, because we all know that CPM is what advertisers will pay, then RPM is what YouTube is going to pay you after they've done all their plus and minus. So the RPM here is $3.12 and the CPM is $6.06. Now these are earning by ad types and the rest of them. So this is how much a 6 minute video made for me. I think from now henceforth I'm going to be doing more so that I can be updating you guys. Yeah, I know what actually contributed to this is because of that audience location. Yeah, and a lot other factors that I just shared with you guys. So this is to tell you that if you're fond of always making long form video because you are looking for the bag, you're like me, you better stop it. Short videos sef they pay. I actually saw a YouTuber did doing a video about it, that short form videos are paying, and people don't even pay attention to it. And I said, let me give it a try. And I'm not surprised. Like, and I'm not even regretting it. Imagine, this video did not even take me time. Now back to what I said that I was going to be telling you guys towards the end of this video, how this video actually came up. Like, this video, I was just on my own and the inspiration just come. I said, nah, but it's actually short though. Then I said, okay, I'm going to make it direct, straight to the point, and short. That was how I did this video in nothing less than under 15 minutes. Yes, I just put my camera and I'm done. Even editing itself did not stress me one bit. So this is to tell you that there are some times that you be having a video idea on your mind to create, and you just be like, it will not make sense. That one video can actually make sense. That one video can actually monetize it. That one video can actually blow you up. It's just like my most viral video on this my channel. I used to say it, that my most ever viral video on this channel, the day I did that video, I was going for my baby immunization. The idea just came and I said, let me go and deliver it to these people. That was how I got my first ever viral video. There's currently over 200,000 views and I've made me a lot of money. So thank you so much for watching, and if you've ever had this same experience, please do well to drop it in the comment section, or you've even earned higher than this before, because it's possible, very, very much possible. Yeah, so do well to drop in the comment section also, and thank you for watching once again. Do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and yes, I'll see you all in my next video.